sa negosyo kailangan mo maging matapang.
She might fail. She's the one selling a lot.
Ano may sabing duwag ako?
Dahil maraming competitors sa negosyo. Puropeg si King FPJ at si Tatang Henry C. A nagsama Lahat Panalo sa negosyo at talo ang mga competitors.
Ito raw ang paraan ni Ginoong Henry C. ng paglingon sa kanyang pinanggalingan. At ang pagsasama sa bawat isang nangangailangan na kanyang makikita patungo sa pag-angat sa malapit na hinaharap.
To fight the illegal and not registered products that is selling in the market.
Busya! Kaya gampanan mo pagkapulis mo! Itong kapatid mo, bantayan mo sa ginagawa niyang pananakot, pangungotong at pagugulpit sa mga tao dito. Akala yung pagkapulis mo!
The action of learning, the business and life.
The better ideas, the new and better ideas. I talk for excellence in performance.
For the first time, the two kings of legacy will reunited in one epic vlog show to learn the business and the importance of film industry. Ang Hariang Negosyo, Henry C. At ang Hariang Pelikula, Fernando Poe Jr. With your Denver Ninong Castro as Henry C. and Mr. Dennis Castro as FPJ.
I will fight for the good business, to serve God and the humanity.
I will fight to save the people against crimes and illegal. It's action time.
It's business time.
The two kings of Philippine legacy. Learning the Henry C's SM Business, The King of Philippine Business, and discovering FPJ's action film The King of Philippine Movies coming this December 14th and 15th live in Ninong TV, Facebook, and YouTube. Henry C. The King of Philippine Business. Only here at Ninong TV, your educational vlog show and entertainment.
Good afternoon to all of you, and this is your Denver Ninong Castro, and what's up to all of you? You are watching now on YouTube and Facebook subscribers, and for today's video we are for another Henry C's video blog study, The Two Kings of Philippine Legacy, learning Henry C's SM Business, The King of Philippine Business, and discovering FPJ's action film, The King of Philippine Movies. So, in this special video blog, we will have your Ninong as your Henry C. and a special guest as Mr. FPJ will be Mr. Dennis Castro. So, you will discover here the collaboration of FPJ Learnings and the collaboration of Henry C. Learning. For those who want to go to mall and love to watch movies, this is the best collaboration that you will discover from Henry C. and FPJ that will reunited as one for the first time. The two kings of Philippine legacy, the king of movie and the king of business, will give you an educational purpose. This is the introduction or the brief summary of Mr. FPJ. I will read to you. So this is the meaning or the intro of FPJ. Ronald Alan Kelly Poe, known professionally referred to by his initials FPJ, was a Filipino actor, film director, producer, screenwriter, and politician. His presented successful career as an actor star earned him by the nickname The King. Okay, so that is the meaning of FPJ or his summary review that you will discover. So for the first episode we will have here is the FPJ introduction, and with our special guest Mr. Dennis Castro, the two kings of Philippine legacy. Okay.
Alas pa, hirap. Alas ba, hirap. Alas ba, hirap. Masarap, Judge. Dapat ka ng kalusing. Ay, mahirap. Ang masasabi mo, hirap. Mahirap. Ang sasabi mo. Okay, mahirap. Hirap. Yung mga sa loob. Kapit na kalusing.
Doy, sino may sabing duwag ako? Ha?
Busya! Kaya gampanan mo pagkapulis mo! Itong kapatid mo, bantayan mo sa ginagawa niya pananakot, pangungotok at pagugulpit sa mga tao rito. Akala yung pagkapulis mo. Ang ibig mo sabihin kung si...
Oh, sige. Oh.
Hindi ako makakaya.
Ikaw naman, nang matapos na. Ako?
We just discover our special guest that we have for our FPJ, and for those who is asking a question, who is Mr. Dennis Castro. Yes, you're right. That is personally my daddy. Yes, and I know Mr. Dennis is lucky because when he's young, from about 6 years old or 5 years old, he already saw Mr. FPJ in personal. Wow! In 1980s or 1990s, if I'm not mistaken. So, he saw FPJ that Mr. Joseph Estrada is running for president, and FPJ is there to support his best friend and giving candies, giving flyers, etc. while they're in the truck supporting ERA for president. FPJ is there. So, my dad saw FPJ. So, sabi ko, dapat sinelfie mo, no? Nung araw, hindi pa kasi gano'ng mag-gadget. Kasi 1980s, 1990s pa yon. And of course, also my late grandma, nakita niya na si Mr. FPJ in the Manila North. Nakakahon nga lang si FPJ na noon that time. It's 2014. So, when my grandma visit her grandparent, yung mga magulang niya, so when she visit her parents, no, kasi Manila North Cemetery din yon, nadaanan niya si FPJ, and they are lucky. Hopefully, no, sana all, no, makita ko din kahit nakakahuna. Okay, yun yung sa. For the next slide is about Mr. Henry C., the king of Philippine business. And for those who is searching about SM, this is the meaning first. The company was started in 1958 as Shoe Mart by Henry C. with its first store in Manila. In 1960s, Shoe Mart expanded its shoe store chain in different locations. In 1972, Shoe Mart turned into a full-time department store. Okay, for this special episode that you will have is the SM of Mr. Henry C. to discover his businesses in the Philippines and even worldwide. Wow! Bah, hindi ko alam, umabot na pala sa buong mundo tong business ko, no? Okay, so we will discover the SM supermalls here in the Philippines and some of the places of this world, and to discover his passion in serving the people. Check it out.
Ito raw ang paraan ni Ginoong Henry C. ng paglingon sa kanyang pinanggalingan at ang pagsasama sa bawat isang nangangailangan na kanyang makikita patungo sa pag-angat sa malapit na hinaharap.
I joined thesis in other organizations. It was a thesis where I first met many young promising and better ideas, the new and better ideas. I taught for excellence in performance. My basic started in I got a lot of customers, but one real estate agent, she was so persistent that selling me every time when she bought a pair of shoes, she was selling me a lot.
Okay, you've just discovered once again our tribute to Mr. FPJ and to Mr. Henry C. to be rolled as your Denver Ninong, as Mr. Henry C. and of course my dad, Mr. Dennis Castro, as Mr. FPJ. Now for the next episode, you will discover here the FPJ and Henry C. tandem of service. Wow, we don't know that Henry C. and FPJ also a relation in making business of filming and more. So for those who is having a research, homework, project, and any variety of education and learning, you will discover here on Ninong TV about Henry C. and FPJ on their services. To serve the people, to give action, and to give, we've got it all. Enjoy.
Ngayon nila matitikman ang tatak ng panday.
Ngayong December 6,
inihahandog ng FPJ Productions ang free special screening ng Ang Panday
in all SM and Walter Mart cinemas.
Salamat the King.
For details and ticket reservations, just visit SM Cinema Facebook page.
Ngayon nila matitikman ang tatak ng panday.
Ngayong December 6,
inihahandog ng FPJ Productions ang free special screening ng Ang Panday
in all SM and Walter Mart cinemas.
Salamat the King.
For details and ticket reservations, just visit SM Cinema Facebook page.
you've just discovered. Thank you for watching. By the way, thank you for those who is watching the FPJ and Henry C for your educational purposes and for your entertainment. For the FPJ Fans Club there and for Henry C Fans Club is now reunited as one. Because of this show, I would like to thank all of the people who is supporting and watching, and especially for our dear student. This is a form of education that can be helped on your research or assignment. Okay, you just discovered FPJ and Henry C tandem. You know, I just remember in 2014 when we go to SM MOA, we go across in the SM Arena, which you call the MOA Arena, di ba? Yung mga pinagko-concert. And then on beside of that building is, I think it's a parking or it's the university that time. They have it's just like a big eye, no? Malaking mata siya. And then that is a commercial, no? The commercial or any advertisement that SM have. That was presented. The face of FPJ, ang Panday. Pre-movie. I think that is the birthday or anniversary of his death. Of Mr. FPJ that is presented as a paid tribute of Mr. Henry C. to Fernando Po Jr. O, diba? Okay, you've just discovered about Mr. FPJ. But they are also the king of making CSR and giving services for the people, to help people, to bless. Okay, thank you for watching, and this is the two kings of Philippine legacy, learning Henry C's SM business, the king of Philippine business, and discovering FPJ's action film, the king of Philippine movies, the collaboration of the two kings in business and making film, together with your Denver Castro and Mr. Dennis Castro. Thank you and God bless. See you for another video vlog, and I hope it can help educational and entertainment.